my name's Paul Bundy, and this is my carport. When they first finished it, I was looking at how well it was put together and the alignment of all the screws they put in the roof and everything. They're not all crooked, they run straight. Everything looks symmetrical the way it should. I have an elm tree back here behind me, and when it puts out this syrupy stuff, it'll stay on your paint, it won't come off. So we needed this structure for our vehicles to protect them against the rain, the weather, and anything else that could come out here in the country where we live. So. I shopped several different companies. I got bids from 3 different companies, actually. When I found Allen's, I actually checked the Better Business Bureau, and they have very good ratings, and their reviews were very good. So that led me to decide to go with them to build this structure. You get choices. You can actually design it. I designed it online with their website. You can adjust the size, the colors, everything right there on the website. I took days going through it to make it what I needed. It allowed me to really make the choices before I even ordered it. The ordering process is you just put down a down payment. It's about a month out, which isn't bad, to get it produced and to get it here, and then just one evening to get it put up. They seem to be well coordinated in what they're doing. The way they were putting it up, they knew what to put together on the ground before they stood it up. And I've watched guys build this stuff, being in the industry for a while, and a lot of them, they have to piecemeal it together. You know, you measure, cut, put up one piece. Well, they were putting it up in sections, and I'm like, oh, that's neat. It helps time-wise because it all fit together like a puzzle once they put it together. Just a good crew all around. I would recommend Allen's Outlet if you need a building, if you need a shed, if you need a carport, whatever else made out of metal, you can probably get it, design it, and get it built over there. I would say this. It's a great product and a great price. It's got value, and it's going to hold value because it's well built. The material itself speaks for itself. I mean, it's just a good product. That's all I got to say about it. And tell your friends, I'm going to.